Alright, so I've procrastinated a lot. Right here it says low tire light, but when that's not there, it also says maintenance required soon. I'm gonna show you how to get these two warning lights off, because to get my car inspected, it can't have a warning light and not taken to the dealership. So I'm gonna turn the car off. I'm gonna turn it to on. We're gonna go under the car right here. There's a button. Right there, it says like reset or something. Hold that down for like 5 seconds. That should reset the tire pressure. Alright, yeah, so the tire pressure is off. Turn the thing off. Now when driving the car over 19 or 20 miles an hour, it'll read this wheel speed and that'll shut off, as long as you have it pumped up to the right temperature. Or the right pressure, I mean. So then turn the car back on. System check. It doesn't say maintenance required soon. Let's turn the car on for 1 sec though. Oh, it showed it for like 1 second. Confused as to why it doesn't show it now. Maintenance required soon. Okay, so it's on. I'm gonna go to ODO. I'm gonna press and hold reset. And then I'm gonna turn the car off. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. I'm gonna turn the car back on. And let go. Now it says check VSC. That's not good. Turn the car back off. Turn it back on. Doesn't show anything now. I'm gonna turn the car on just to make sure. Shows absolutely nothing. I'm pretty sure if you took it to a dealership and asked them to do what I just did, it would be at least a diagnostic fee, and that's probably at least like $100 and something. There's no warning lights. Not seatbelt. I'm gonna turn the car off 1 more time. Turn it back on. System check. Absolutely nothing. And now I can get my car inspected. Thanks for watching.